Hello friends, it's Funky Play Brothers, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube. And today I'm unboxing and reviewing Funko Pop's Marvel's Daredevil in his first appearance suit, which was the yellow and red ketchup and mustard suit. This is a Target exclusive blacklight. And now let's unbox him. And his belt and his little stick thing or nunchuck thing are blue. And he has a bobbly head. Now this figure, this giant bobblehead, is a 10 out of 10, 2 thumbs ups. Daredevil's first appearance suit is my favorite suit, and he appeared in this suit in the She-Hulk show too. So hopefully they make a figure of that Daredevil and remake another figure of this Daredevil from the comics, because they made one before of a Marvel Legends. But this is a 10 out of 10, 2 million thumbs ups. This is the coolest Daredevil pop ever. So, friends, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow us on social media, the Funky Play Bros and Funky Play Brothers. Support our vlog at Cash App at the $sign Funky Play Brothers. Thank you for watching. Bye.